For the colorful options, colorful food, colorful varieties, everyone is looking for new unique colors in daily life. Segments like kurtis, lehengas, saris, party wear, and number of collections. UP, Bihar, these varieties are women's love to wear and these are very trending. Everyone is looking for the colorful options, colorful food, colorful varieties. Everyone is looking for new unique colors in daily life, right? So, Kesaria has brought for you the new exclusive colorful saris. If I talk about these collections, at my background you can see here the colorful Leria pattern, which is the latest trending varieties. You can also buy retailer such varieties and make your customers happy. So, I'm your Rani Subramanian here. So, coming from Kesaria Textile once again to show you these varieties of exclusive trending collections. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates where you can do online shopping 24/7 and you can start your clothing business with many more segments like kurtis, lehengas, saris, party wear, and number of collections is giving you Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, which is located at Surat. These colorful saris, if I talk about, this is a famous which is trending at UP, Bihar. These varieties are women's love to wear and these are very trending. Nowadays in South also it's very demanded. Everyone is looking for such unique collections of varieties where the packing is also good and which is a lightweight fabric. If I talk about this fabric, which is a chiffon fabric, which is very comfortable, which easily absorbs the sweating and all women likes to wear, whether you're traveling from two-wheeler, whether you're walking around, you're going markets, easily you can wear these saris and you can go. These saris are starting from only 100 rupees you can purchase from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So this is the magenta color of the geometrical pattern, this is a rainbow color pattern of the semicircle pattern, and this is a multi-design of the multi-colors pattern. This is a dark color with a white color pattern. So these exclusive trending varieties, I'm going to show you some samples. I can only say retailers, these are very fast moving collections. Just watch the samples and place an order and make your customers happy. The first color, which is dark red color with a white color pattern, you can see here. Such a beautiful unique tomato red color, I can say. This sari looks like this and you have many more varieties of this trending of the dark red with white color combination. This is one of the pattern of the Leria print, and this saris you can buy with blouse, we do have, and without blouse also you can purchase. And we have whenever you buy a sari from Surat, you have to please check the sari length. 5 meters, 550 meters, 6 meters, 630 meters, you have options. You can find out what the options you are looking for and your customers, so you can keep such varieties of quantity. And bulk quantity also you can order just 300 pieces of the bulk order. So this is also a magenta color with a tomato red color, which is a zigzag pattern, which is printed over here. This is also one of the pattern. So such exclusive unique printed varieties, keep at your business and always show your customers new unique varieties, unique trend. Every trend, please update your business with unique collections. This is one more pattern of the sari I can tell you, which is a bottle green with a semi border you can see here with the yellow color, dark contrast colors, multi waves designs pattern here. The wave design pattern also it's here. So this such unique varieties is the bottle green with the yellow color combination. Every color is having a unique beautiness, I can say. All skin tones, dusky color, dark color, chocolate colors, even the brownie shade, white color skin tone, everyone is having a color option of the all varieties of saris. You can make your beautiful saris with this Leria pattern. So such varieties the Kesaria is giving you with many more multiple varieties. Here is a dark mountain cut pattern with a dark two-tone shade of the sari, yellow color, magenta color, orange color, light baby pink color shade is there. So multi design with Leria pattern, unique varieties you can buy. Every design you can find out 40 to 50 print out every trending varieties. And at the festival season, manufacturers is giving you new unique collections. Here is also yellow color, which is a dark unique color with a unique print. So yellow every woman likes, which is a dark contrast color. Yellow is having a beautiful pretty combination with a white color. White is always highlighted with the borders. So especially for the saris, such collections you can visit. Please visit once Kesaria, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. Our shop will be open. You can choose your segment for online shopping. e-commerce platforms where you can do online business for, like, you can add into your varieties like kurtis, saris, party wear, ready to wear, lehengas, Indo-Western, Western, peplum, sharara, garara, and number of exclusive varieties you can purchase. This is a beautiful rainbow pattern sari, all colors you can see here. This is a very exclusive, unique printed of such unique designs you can buy from only Kesaria manufacturers, which starts from only 100 rupees. So friends, these unique varieties of lightweight chiffon fabric saris you can please add into your business. Before getting out of stock such collections, you can give a minimum bulk order of 300 pieces quantity, and 7 to 10 days you will reach your stock, your goods according to your country and according to your pan India. We are providing you the services, sea services and the cargo services. 7 to 10 days you can receive your goods, and there is a COD options also available. You can do online payments also. We provide you transport, shipping safely and securely, and there is no language barrier to communicate, either Telugu, Tamil, English, Kannada, Hindi. Every sales executives we provide you at the shop, even at the online also. So Kesaria is giving you such exclusive varieties in the printed saris. This trending varieties of Leria pattern soon before getting out of stock. These multiple collections you can buy and make your customers happy. So please order, place an order, and keep watching for the regular new unique updates of the videos, and subscribe the channel. Please keep support, and regularly unique videos I'll share with you. Start a retail concept of boutique or sari business or kurti business with Kesaria Textile. So we'll guide you and support you. Next video will come up with new collections and business informations I'll share you. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Until then, bye-bye.